Hi friends, today we have an iPhone SE for repair. I don't like repairing iPhones, but here they brought it and presented me with a fait accompli. Since they brought it, let's try to do it. The microphone on this iPhone doesn't work. The person on the line doesn't hear the one speaking into this phone. Therefore, I will change the cable with microphones. First, you need to unscrew 2 screws from the bottom. Now it needs to be warmed up a little on the separator because the display is also held on double-sided tape. But first, you should pull out the SIM tray. Here and here are small screws, and here are long screws. I disconnected the battery cable and also disconnected the display. All that remains is to disconnect it at the top. The display is removed. Now you need to remove all the double-sided tape. There is a triangular screw here. You will need a special screwdriver to unscrew it. And here is the culprit, friends. As I see, the cable going to the microphone has broken off. It looks like some liquid got in through the charging connector, and that's probably why the microphone was damaged. I didn't want to remove the board, but it looks like the cable can't be removed until you pull out the board. It turns out there is another hidden screw. It is hidden under double-sided tape. I could not figure out what else holds the board. The cable was held by this part of the case and did not allow it to come out. Now we will change this lower cable. I didn't film the full assembly because I had to watch my own video and figure out which screws to screw where. There is a coaxial cable under this plate. It needs to be connected through the connector and then it goes to the external antenna. Let's continue assembling the iPhone. Don't mix up the screws. They are all different sizes. There is another screw in this place that should be under the plate. Now I will disassemble it and install it in place. I don't understand iPhone manufacturers. Why make so many small screws of different sizes? In my opinion, everything could have been simplified a lot. Again, I forgot to install another plate. Now I have to remove the board completely, then install the plate and install the board again. That's all. The repair is finished. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and put your thumbs up. See you in the next videos.